So just testing this Forek, if that's the way you pronounce it, solid state relay. It's rated at 40 amps. It should be more than enough for what I'm using it for, which is to control the immersion heater in my solar divert system. In fact, it's going to control the destratification pump and keep the cylinder sort of at an optimal temperature, rather than relying on the bimetallic strip thermostats that are in the immersion heater. So that's the plan. Just checking out that it works. I've got this all set up, ready to go. This is the heat resistant cable for the immersion heater. Arduino Mega, which as it happens is the same as the one I'm using on the divert system. That's connected through a lead that will fit into the airing cupboard to the input side to the solid state relay. I've ganged up. This is a 6 cable, so I think it's actually 8 core alarm cable. I only need 2 wires, so rather than cut 6 of them out, I've ganged them all together, so I get a lower resistance on that feed. It's quite a long piece of wire, so that should reduce the resistance between the Arduino and the solid state relay. This Arduino's got a little sketch in it that's raising and lowering output 13 every 10 seconds. So when it's on, this LED shows on the solid state relay. And just to test it out, so I've got this weed killer, electric 2 kilowatt weed killer. So if I turn this on, when the LED comes on, there we go. And off for 10 seconds, and back on again 10 seconds later. So it's all working fine. I've been running it for a while now, and just turn that off because these are live, so I need to be a bit careful. But I have bought a heatsink, which is specifically made for this relay. So when I stick it on the permanent installation, I'll put it on the back of this heatsink just to keep it cool. They're quite nicely designed. Actually. I've got another 25 amp one as well, and it's a nice heavy backplate, which because the triac is mounted against, so the heat capacity is quite high, and I should transfer to the heatsink pretty well as well. It didn't come with any screws, which is a bit unfortunate, so I'm going to have to just use some self-tappers to attach it to the heatsink, and some compound, of course, heat transfer compound. But that should be fine if I mount it on the wall that way. Then heat can flow up past the fins. Good. So far so good.